Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about making a giveaway command. So so there are absolutely no tutorials about giveaway commands in Nextcord, and now it's pretty different than PyCord and other stuff. So basically, um, there would be these stuff where you can't add the reactions and everything. In this tutorial, I will hold your back. I will hold your hand this entire video, teaching you how to make a giveaway command and fix this problem. So now we'll make a file called giveaway.py, and then in that file basically we could just copy paste everything from here and then add it to giveaway. So now let's make this next word dot slash command a, a a giveaway command. What I meant is basically making a slash command while also making a giveaway command, since even I have had problems with this in the past. So now first thing we are gonna do is we will add our parameters. So if you haven't watched the previous video or the two previous videos, you probably have heard of something. So Discord has disabled, so people need to use descriptions for commands and slash option. So we actually need to make a slash option now. So time equal next score dot slash option. We're gonna do parentheses and indent it. So we're gonna do description equal, then we will add how long do you want this giveaway to last. Then we will do required equal true, I guess. Basically everything will be true, so basically we could just copy paste it 3 times. So now so now we will do we'll make the price. Actually I probably think that we only need two. So anyways, so now we could delete this and actually start with our giveaway command. So now we'll make our embed. So embed equal next score dot embed parentheses, and then we will just add this. So title title equal giveaway by, I will do F so we could uh interaction dot user. We can't actually mention the user in the title, else it will just uh it'll just come out like this, just this, and then the ID. It will not actually come as me actually mentioning the user. So now description equal um time time we're gonna do colon, and we actually have to add if. So now we actually have to do a few imports. So import human friendly and oops, and import date time. So back to our code now. Time now, using human friendly, we're gonna parse the time span of time here. So basically we're gonna do uh dur- duration equal. Actually, wait, we also need import async IO. So duration equal human friendly dot parse time span. You will also be using human friendly more in my future videos. So now we are just going to take this parameter here and we will put it here. So now time equal, so we're gonna do time. We're just we will just do, do time, so it just comes out like 1 minute or maybe 8 minutes or something like that. So then we will add here backslash n, and we will do price colon, then we will just add pri price. Oh, and we could also set color, so color equal nextcord dot color dot green parentheses, and timestamp equal date time date time dot date time dot UTC now, or you could just do now. This is UTC now is just now, but in the time zone UTC. So I'm just gonna let it be UTC now. It's not like my my date my time zone is UTC now, but I mean, who cares? So await interaction dot send. Then we're just gonna send this embed. So this is where it gets out of PyCore and Discord.py. So now we actually have to do old message equal, we're gonna add parentheses here, and then away interaction the original uh, message. So this is to return the message so that we could uh, actually add the reaction. So let's go to commands and get documentation. I just want you to look at it. So doc, so we're gonna do doc, and then uh, original message parentheses. Oh, I think it's because I added the parentheses. Okay, there we go. So now we have our original message, and now we can go to the document and check this out. So view documentation for Nextcord, I guess. Now let's wait it to load up now, and here why is it over there? So now we have this curtain function. So it fetches the original interaction dot response, and it says here if the interaction response was interaction response dot send message, then this would return the message that was sent using that response. Otherwise, this would return the message that triggered the interaction. So so this is how it returns the message. So it's going to be used to add reactions on all that cool stuff. So now away old message dot add reaction. Then we're gonna go uh ta- we're just gonna get a tada emoji. We actually need it. or just Harry Potter, I guess. So that's our only add reaction that we will add now. Oh, oops. So now using Asyncio here now. So let's use Asyncio now. So I'll wait Asyncio dot sleep, and then here we will take the rotation from here, and then we will cut, then we will paste it here. So don't mind about any errors. This is not gonna get any errors, guys, believe me. So now we will do um new message equal a interaction dot send oops interaction dot channel dot fetch a message. We're just fetching the message, then we will take the old message dot id. So these two lines are gonna do, so this one will sleep until the giveaway ends, whether it's like 1 hour, 1 day, 10 seconds, etc. So new message after the sleeping is done, I guess. New message is here, so that is fetching the message after it's done. The ID of it here, and then we're gonna do users equal new message dot reactions uh zero dot users dot Latin. Sorry, little mistake. This is a coroutine, so I'll wait here. So now will. So now we actually have to remove. We actually have to remove uh the user here. I mean the client dot user. So we will users dot pop, then parentheses, and then we'll do users dot index, and then here client dot user. So what this does is it's going to remove uh client dot user, which is the bot that helps us make this command. It's just going to remove it out of the giveaway. So now let's actually get a winner. So now we will import random, only four, literally four imports for a single oh my god. Anyways, and then we will do win winner equal random dot choice. Then we're gonna do users, and then we will do await interaction dot send then, and here is the F, and then congratulations winner dot mention, you just won uh you just won prize. Congratulations, winner that mentioned, you just won prize. So now we will rerun our code. A little faulty though. So let me just name this giveaway, and I didn't actually change the name of the class. So test OPA is so here is what happens when you load the same class names, I guess. So cog name test already loaded. But so test opas just gonna add it here, I guess. So last mistake, I actually did not define clients. So we're gonna do self.bot oops, self.bot.user since I actually defined it this time. anyways anyways let's run our code now. Now that I have run my code and everything, now let's try our command giveaway. So this is a test command, blah blah. So let's do 10 seconds. We could do 50. We could do 50 seconds. You don't even have to add s if you're just gonna do seconds. You could do 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, do anything you want. I'm gonna make it 10 seconds. Then the price is a huggy, cause why not? So now okay, so this is okay, I think okay, this is not supposed to happen. So 5 seconds, a huggy. So not oh okay, so this is not actually an error. The bot suddenly stopped working, I guess. So not my problem. I kind of missed the part where that's my problem. Now that a bot is now it ran, I guess. So now let's try our giveaway command at least one more time. So let's do 10 seconds and a huggy here. So as you can see, the embed works and it even reacts. So I'm gonna react, and after 10 seconds, hopefully it will send this message. Congratulations, Plemius Flow, you just won a huggy. So it works. So that is pretty much it, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.